What's up everyone, it's Opan from TechCycle. In this video, we are going to install Xposed for Android Oreo, that is Android 8.0 and 8.1. So when compared to Android Nougat, Xposed for Android Oreo is released very fast. Like Nougat, most of the modules are not compatible with this Xposed, that is Xposed for Android Oreo. And by installing this Xposed for Android Oreo, there is no guarantee that most of the modules will work with your device. So be cautious about installing all modules as it may end up in boot loop. So about the installation of this Android Xposed, there will be two methods, that is one with using magisk module and other that is good old flashing. And I will show you guys the both method. So let's begin. Before that, disclaimer alert, this video is only for educational purpose and I will not be responsible for anything happen to your device. So first we are going to install Xposed for Android Oreo by using magisk module. So open magisk manager and head over to the download section and scroll to the bottom and you can find the Xposed framework SDK26. It is for Android 8.0 and you can find another module that is Xposed framework SDK27. It is for Android 8.1. I have installed this SDK27, that says on the top. So I have already installed that. So in the module section you can find this Xposed framework SDK27 and it will automatically install this Xposed installer also. So it is very easy to use this. As you can see that it is active. You can download the modules from here on the Xposed and you can do all sort of things, but most of the modules are not supported for this Android Oreo. And for the next method, by flashing using TWRP, head out to the link given in the description. It is the SDA link. Here you can find the install Xposed framework for Android Oreo. First download the installer file. It is going to install this Xposed, install the application of Xposed and download the required framework based on your device, that is Android 8.0 or 8.1. and flash that using the TWRP recovery. It is very simple. And if you are facing any boot loop, just before downloading and doing all this thing, make sure you have this uninstaller file, that is Xposed uninstaller 2018-0108, that is January 8th build of the uninstaller, Xposed uninstaller. Make sure you have it in your phone before going through all these assets. I do not prefer this. I only prefer using magisk module, which is very easy and will not cause most of the problems. That's all about installing Xposed for Android Oreo, and I like to use magisk module because it is very fast. It is systemless, that is, it is not affecting the system partition, and it is easy to uninstall if my device is under boot loop. That is just flashing the mount magisk and just deleting the Xposed from Android magisk module folder. So that's all about this video and thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you think this video sucks, hit the dislike button and let me know so I can improve my contents. And if you got suggestion for another videos like this or anything else, just comment down below, or you can do that on Twitter, Facebook or Google+. Link will be in the description and don't forget to subscribe.